Welcome to this guided body scan meditation for deep relaxation. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, allow yourself to release any tension or stress from your body. Begin by bringing your awareness to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breathing, the gentle rise and fall of your chest or abdomen with each inhale and exhale. Take a few moments to simply observe your breath, allowing it to anchor you to the present moment. Now, shift your attention to your feet. Feel the sensation of your feet. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort in your feet. And with each breath, allow those sensations to soften and dissolve. You are relaxing your feet. Your feet are relaxed. Slowly move your awareness up to your ankles and calves. Notice any tightness or heaviness in these areas. With each breath, imagine sending a wave of relaxation down into your ankles and calves, allowing them to become loose and relaxed. You are relaxing your calves and ankles. Your calves and ankles are relaxed. Continue to scan up through your body, bringing your awareness to your knees, thighs, and hips. Notice any sensations in these areas, whether they're comfortable or uncomfortable. With each breath, invite a sense of relaxation to wash over these muscles, releasing any tension you may be holding on to. You are relaxing your knees, thighs, and hips. Your knees, thighs, and hips are relaxed. Bring your attention to your lower back and abdomen. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your belly with each breath. If you notice any tightness or discomfort in this area, simply acknowledge it without judgment and allow it to soften and release with each exhale. You are relaxing your lower back and abdomen. Your lower back and abdomen are relaxed. Next, shift your awareness to your chest and upper back. Notice the expansion of your ribcage with each inhale, and the release of tension with each exhale. If you find any areas of tightness or constriction, breathe into them, allowing them to open up and relax. You are relaxing your chest and upper back. Your chest and upper back are relaxed. Now, bring your attention to your shoulders, arms, and hands. Notice any sensations in these areas, whether it's warmth, tingling, or tension. With each breath, imagine any tension melting away, leaving your shoulders, arms, and hands feeling light and at ease. You are relaxing your shoulders, arms, and hands. Your shoulders, arms, and hands are relaxed. Finally, bring your awareness to your neck, jaw, and face. Notice if there's any tightness or clenching in these areas. With each exhale, allow your neck to lengthen, your jaw to soften, and your facial muscles to relax completely. You are relaxing your neck, jaw, and face. Your neck, jaw, and face are relaxed. Allow the entire body to be fully relaxed. Take a few moments to just be present with your body, allowing yourself to fully relax and let go. Know that you can return to this state of relaxation whenever you need to throughout your day. When you're ready, gently begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. Gradually bringing awareness back to your surroundings. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Thank you for joining me in this guided body scan meditation. May you carry this sense of relaxation and peace with you throughout your day. Namaste.